This is Michael, dude. Michael's had incredible results, and just wanted to share this one with you. He said, everyone loves my results. And yeah, I had a couple extra things to the protocol, but like the number one thing everyone needs to make sure is they're applying enough topical solution. Most people want to save money and make the bottle last a long time, but I think it's wasting money in the long term. I don't cheap out on the step. I'm using 3 to 4 droppers every night. This is also because I have long hair. What do you think? So this is something I think is really important, guys. Like the amount of topical solution that you use, is the effective ingredients and the ARB in the liquid solution is what's doing the job, right? So if you don't use enough topical solution and you're not getting the results that you want to, that you're looking for, you need to make sure that you're using enough topical solution. So, and this isn't just hyperbole, like this is proof from somebody that's had great results and his feedback and everybody else's feedback. So I want to make sure that you guys have great results, and it's especially important in the first 3 months to make sure that you're using enough topical solution. And you saw earlier the gentleman that went from 1 mLs to 2 mLs and had even better results. So personally, I use about 3 mLs every night, and I feel really good about my hair.